What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do Saquon Barkley hurdle in Madden NFL 26. If you want to practice the Saquon Barkley reverse hurdle, the best place to start is inside the training camp. Go to training camp, then skill trainer and pick your team. Since the only player in the entire game who can trigger the reverse hurdle is Saquon Barkley, that's why you'll need to select the Philadelphia Eagles. Once you load in, go to the hurdle tutorial under offense. First, it's going to make you complete the basic hurdle drill 3 times by pressing Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. After you finish those, the game will give you a defender so you can start practicing the reverse hurdle. Now here's the important part. To trigger this move, 3 things have to line up perfectly. First, you need to be at full sprint, no slowing down, no stutter steps. Second, the defender has to approach you at roughly a 45-degree angle. If they come straight at you or from behind, it won't trigger. And third, you need to hit triangle or Y right before the defender makes contact. But keep one thing in mind, this move is completely unpredictable. Sometimes you'll get it on your very first attempt and other times it might take 15 to 20 attempts. It could happen in 5 minutes or it might take 30. There's no guaranteed timing. You just have to keep trying until everything lines up. That's all you need to know to practice the reverse hurdle with Saquon Barkley in Madden NFL 26. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.